people hear of passive income, the first thing that comes to their mind is capital. This fear of capital has kept them under so much wraps that they tend to forget that there are actually things you can do without capital from the comfort of your home, or step out to do it and still make money. Today, I'll be opening your eyes. I'll be enlightening you on some of those things you can actually do with zero capital. Did you hear me? I said zero capital to make money. I'm Idon Asset, and my job and pleasure is to always bring to you ways you could make money, because I want you, my superstars, to be rich. You are welcome, my superstars, to this video. If you have not subscribed, please do, so you do not miss out. You don't want to miss out. All right. The first thing we'll be talking about is cleaning. If you have the ability to clean a place, make it beautiful, neat, and sparkling, as in you have this ability to arrange a house, clean the house, wash plates, wash dirty clothes, and all that, then you have a job. You can actually clean and make money from it. I mean, good money. I know of a friend who was always so busy because she ran a business that was so stressful and took most of her time. So her house was always very dirty and unkempt. We now suggested to her to get someone to do the work for her. And she did. She employed the services of a young guy who would come in, sweep the house, mop the floor, wash dirty clothes, clean and dust, leaving the house sparkling. And she in turn would pay. This left everyone happy. She paid, the guy made his money and left. So you can actually make money from cleaning. This is very easy. If you have a phone and a social media platform, you could set up adverts on your page, on your Facebook page, on your WhatsApp, on any social media platform you are in. Write it that you offer cleaning services. You clean houses, you wash, you clean, and before you know it, people will require your services for a fee, and in turn you make your money. Next is cooking. Do you know that there are a lot of fantastic cooks? People that if you eat their food, you would like, wow, their food is always so delicious. Yet these people have not thought of turning this amazing cooking ability into a money-making ability. You can actually translate your ability to cook and make money from it. There are so many busy bachelors, so many busy working class women who would readily accept your offer to cook for them. You could make it such that it's pay before delivery. They send the money, you use the money, go to the market, buy foodstuffs, cook whatever meal they want, and deliver it to them. So many people would gladly pay for a plate of stew, a plate of soup, whatever soup it is, to preserve in their fridge and warm whenever they are hungry and eat. All you have to do is, like I said, write it and put it on your social media platform. The world has changed to a level where you can meet anybody, whoever you want, on social media. So many businesses have grown on social media. By writing it and putting it up on your social media page, You would be surprised at the orders you would have. Just cook this food, snap it, display it on your profile picture, on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook page. Display it. And you'd be surprised, before you know it, you would get offers. Next is shopping skill. There are so many ladies that love to shop, as in they are so excited. They love shopping. They love going into supermarkets to buy. They love going to buy food items from the market. They are so excited about this. While there are other people who detest, as in they detest going to the market. So you can actually change this love for shopping and make money from it. Write it, paste it on your Facebook. I love shopping. You can send me for foodstuffs from the market for so fees, for a fee. You can send me to shop for you for a fee. And people who are very busy, there are so many women who are so busy, working class women, who close very late and they do not have time to get to the market, to catch up with market. These women will gladly opt for your offer. They would gladly opt for this service. They would send you to get foodstuffs for them and pay you. You will be surprised at the number of women that will slide into your DM to make offers, to require these services. Give it a try, please. All right. The next one is elderly care. Is another way of making money without capital. By taking care of an elderly person, you can make money and put it in your pocket. Lots of people have elderly grown-up parents they cannot take care of, probably because they are outside the country or they are busy with work. Thus, they employ services of people who take care of their elderly parents or grandparents. That's where you come in. By offering your services to take care of these elderly people, you could make good money. These services could include cooking for these elderly people, help assisting them bath, clean them, tidying up their rooms, washing their clothes, helping them take their medication on time. These are simple things you can do and make money. Do you know that these elderly parents, some of them actually have very rich children who stay abroad and send money to you, the caregiver, in dollars to buy. You supervise the buying of things for these elderly people. This is a fantastic way of making money. I know of a family that the woman's children were mostly abroad. They employed the services of one lady who took care of this elderly woman. All she did was bath, clean, cook for this elderly woman, and was paid cool money. These are things you can do with zero capital. With zero capital, and make your cool money. So stop sitting down to whine that there's no money. There are things you can do. Offer someone your ability to cook. Offer someone your ability to clean. Accept all the silent skills you have and build amazing services out of it and offers around them, and you'd be surprised at the amount of money you would make monthly. That will be all in this video. Please subscribe so you don't miss out of wonderful and amazing contents. Thank you. Till our next video, remember that I love you. Mwah.